Good morning, everybody. It is February 10th, 5:45 in the morning, and we're going to take a quick look at Cardano. For the past, a week or so here, or a week and a half, we've been absolutely killing it, just pushing upwards for the most part. Even today, we actually pushed up almost 25%, and then obviously seeing some sort of a retracement right now. Sellers are coming in. People are trying to sell their profits, and we need to see where this retracement is going to end, if we're going to find support or no, or if, what are the conditions that we need to see, what are the scenarios that we need to see play out for us to still assume that Cardano is to either go sideways for a bit for the next couple of days or weeks, or just continue to keep going up to the $1, right? I think we're so close to the $1 here that more and more people are definitely interested to push it all the way up there. So we had the uptrend, right? You obviously, if you've been watching our videos, we've been talking about this ascending triangle for a while. You just can't see it on a daily, but on lower time frames, you'll see what I'm talking about. But as we've been trending upwards, volume has been decreasing, right? And that's usually a sign of less and less interest in the current trend. So if we're going down, you'd see like a lot of high volume. Those volume bars would be high, relatively speaking, to the previous ones, and they'd be red. And then you'll start to see, once we start seeing that the volume starts to downtick and then go back to the previous levels, we'll start talking about less and less people being interested in the downtrend. So we talk about, some sort of a reversal to the upside should be coming in, right? So now we're seeing that the uptrend for the past week or so has been going up massively. We went from literally 0.35 or 35 cent all the way to the 87 cent, 88 cent. That's an extremely parabolic upward movement. And volume is decreasing. So it is warranted to have that retracement. RSI and stochastic RSI are extremely oversold. For the past 3-4 days, the stochastic RSI was at the 100, so there was no signs of reversal, I guess, right? Because usually when you get somewhere here, I would say, right, when we're going up somewhere where it's here, we definitely either go sideways or we trend down every time. Same thing over here, right, somewhere here. Every time the stochastic RSI reaches to the top or starts to go upward above this region right here, we expect a sideways movement. Same thing here, we expect a sideways movement. Except for here, Cardano did not want to follow that rule, right? So same thing in terms of our MACD. We've been pushing up 100% nonstop. And then right before we got to the top here, we're seeing that we started as opposed the distance between every bar started to decrease, indicating that sometime soon here the buyers should be kind of losing steam. We're exhausting the buyers out, and then the sellers should be coming in sometime soon. So this is granted, right? This is something to be expected, and it's nothing to be I would say scared of. It's more like you have to anticipate. If you don't anticipate that, you'll definitely have your heart broken in this crypto market for sure. So this is on the daily. If we go to the 1 hour here, just to see what's been happening, so this is it right here. So this dip that we just had, literally 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, just got bought up. So we're back up 9%. That's crazy. So we're back up. People just bought this dip. We'll definitely, I think, still again, we'll have to retrace back to this level. We will come back again. So expect that. Volume for selling has been increasing on the hourly compared to everything. This is probably the first time ever since way back here that we're having this kind of volume of selling, right? So once we're overextended like that, once we're way overextended like this over here, you're going to start expecting massive drops to happen, and you're going to start expecting those people that didn't come in early on and now are interested and now they want to be a part of this Cardano uptrend are now waiting for it to dip. So you'll expect that the people that got in all the way down here, oh my bad, all the way down in the bottom, right, and made profits, or even before, but let's just take these guys that were here, 132%. These guys are eager to sell, And at one point you get greedy, and then you start at one point wanting to maintain those profits. So you start scaling out or completely leaving your position if you're a trader or a swing trader, right? And then you got the people that are just saw that, oh, Cardano's been pumping and wow, we've been going upwards, that want to hop on a train where they buy dips when you drop all the way down from, let's say today, from here all the way here, 15% sale. Basically it's a sale, right? And then those dips, you drop heavy and then you get bought up right after, right? So this just happened within the past. Even if you go, let's go to the 3 minute here. Look at this, right? Literally from I would say, if we're going back here, we dropped a good 15% within an hour, and now we got bought up right away. Boom. Within 15 minutes, not even 9 minutes, we got bought up 10%. So that's just the way it is, right? And I'm sorry, this wasn't an hour here. This was definitely less. My bad. It's too early in the morning, but yeah, it's 30 minutes. So expect this to happen, especially right now, right? We need to watch out, and in terms of finding where that support is, this would be your area on the 4-hour chart and the 155 EMA area. And I think that's where Cardano just aligns with the price action and resistances. I would say somewhere around this area is when we will definitely be trying to find that support, right? So we expect some sort of a continued downtrend. And now it's too early, obviously. It's just happening right now, but something to keep an eye out on. Keep an eye out on this. I think this is the level that we will have to maintain for us to continue to assume that this is actually to be this uptrend is to be continued. But I expect a lot of volatility to happen sometime soon here, because a lot of people are actually trading, swing trading, and just putting money in for the long term, and a lot of people are taking profits. So this is just your daily update to stay updated on what's happening with the price action. But like I said, this zone over here, the 0.786, all the way down to the 0.76. My bad, guys. All the way down to the 0.76 is where we are expected to try to find that support. So stay tuned. If this doesn't hold, then I expect, obviously we'll go down to 0.7. This is not rocket science. It's not like, it's just, just simple support resistance technical analysis right now. So yeah, expect a lot of volatility to happen. Expect that we will definitely continue to downtrend a bit, and we would still remain bullish on Cardano until right now. We just need to see us maintaining this area over time for a bit. So yeah, if I would say keep if you're trying to put your money right now, I would just say just be patient for a bit, and definitely assess what's going to happen here. So thank you for watching. Let me know if I missed anything, and if you like the video, please like it, comment, share, subscribe, and if you want to support us on Patreon, then definitely check the link in the description below. It would help us actually maintain the channel, continue to grow, and make videos for you. So thank you for watching. Stay smart. Don't overhype yourself, and yeah, thank you.